The Coriolis Effect Interactive Calculator computes Coriolis acceleration and related parameters for rotating reference frames. This calculator has a drop-down menu for calculation mode with 6 options: Calculate Coriolis Acceleration, Calculate Required Velocity, and Calculate Angular Velocity, Calculate Deflection Distance, Calculate Earth Latitude Effect, and Calculate Coriolis Force. For this demonstration, I'm using Calculate Coriolis Acceleration. The input fields are angular velocity omega in radians per second, velocity v in meters per second, angle to rotation axis theta in degrees, Coriolis acceleration in meters per second squared, time duration t in seconds, latitude in degrees, and mass m in kilograms. Let's work through an example. I'll input angular velocity of 0.5, velocity of 15, angle to rotation axis of 45, Coriolis acceleration of 10.6, time duration of 10, latitude of 51.5, and mass of 50. After clicking Calculate, the results show Coriolis acceleration equals 10.6066 meters per second squared. Maximum at 90-degree angle equals 15.0000 meters per second squared. Cross product magnitude equals 7.500 meters per second squared, and effective sine component equals 0.7071. These values quantify the fictitious force experienced by objects moving in rotating systems. Find the link in the description below.